Hello dear friends, welcome to this session. We want to configure EIGRP in this lab. It's good to do it together. Please bear with me. And this is the first draft that we want to go to configure EIGRP. First we want to assign IP for the ports. We want to assign IP for this port, configure terminal, enter serial for this port. Serial 0-1-0. The IP address of that port is 10.10.12.1 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Exit. Then this port. Enter serial 0-0-1. IP address for that port is 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.252. No shutdown and exit. Then this port and serial 0-0-0 IP address for that port is 10.10.11.1 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Exit. And this port this time. Interface serial 0-1-1. IP address for that port is 10.10.13.1 255.255.255.252. No shutdown and exit. This was for router 20. We just named that router 1. Whatever you want to name, you can name it. Enable configure terminal. This is route. We want to name it router 2. Host name R-2. Interface loopback. For this one, we want to assign as loopback 2. Address is 222.255.255.255.255. No shutdown and exit. It has this port, this serial port 0-0-0. The IP address we want to assign is 10.10.10.2 for this site 255.255.255.252. No shutdown and exit. Then there is for this gig 0-0. IP address for that gig we want to assign is 192.168.14.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown and exit. Want to come for this router and we want to name this router as router number 3. Enable configure terminal. Host name is R-3. This is the name just we want to do it for interface loopback 3. IP of the loopback for the 133 255.255.255.255. No shutdown and exit. Then for this serial, enter serial 0-0-0. IP address for that one is 10.10.11.2 255.255.252. No shutdown and exit. Interface gig 0-0. IP address for that one is 192.168.11.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown and exit. This time for this router we want to name it R4. Enable and configure terminal. Host name is R4. Interface loopback then 4. IP address of the loopback for this is 444.255.255.255.255. No shutdown and exit. Interface 0-0-0. IP address for that is 10.10.12.2 255.255.255. 252. Oops, sorry for this one, because there is one extra and EIGRP keys. Then shut down. Port is up. For gig side, we want to go for LAN side. Interface gig 0-0 IP address of that LAN side is 192.168.13 and 1 255.255.255.0. Then shut down and exit. Let's do for this one. This should be number 5, router number 5, configure terminal, hostname is r-5. Oops, hostname is r-5, interface loopback 5, IP of the loopback is 555.255.255.255.255. Now shut down and exit. Interface serial 0-1-0, 0-1-0. IP address for that port is 10.10.13.2 255.255.255.252. Now shut down and exit. Then interface gig 0-0. IP address of 192.168.12.1 255.255.255.0. Now shut down and exit. Let's configure EIGRP now. We want to do from this network. Route EIGRP of 200. Let's see. Autonomous system number, you can choose bedroom 1,265,535. I want to choose 100 for this one. A network of 1 first. I want to say network of 1 because this is for the loopback. And also the wildcard mask we need. Yes. Then the next network is 10.12.1.0.0.0.255. And the next one is 10.10.10.1 for this side. Then 11.1, yeah, 11.1, 11.1. And the next one is this one, 13.1, 10.10, 13.1, 0.0.0.255. That's all for this. Go to this network and this network for this one. Router EIGRP 100. The network is 222. Yes. And 10.10.10.1 0.0.255. Then also for the LAN side 192.168.14.1 0.0.0.255. And this network of 11. Router EIGRP 100. Network of first the loopback 33. Then network of 10.10.11.1 0.0.0.255. and also network of 192.168.11.1.0.0.0.255. And let's come to this one. Router EIGRP 100, network of 4. Then network of 10, 10, 12, 1, 0, 0, 0, 255. Also for the ones at 192.168.13.1.0.0.0.255. Then and for the last router EIGRP of 100, network. This is router 5, loopback is 5, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Also network of 10, 10, 13.125. Now what got mask. Also for the Lanza 192.168, the 12.1.0.0.0.255, and let's ping from this router to see whether this is activated or not. The protocol EIGRP. I want to ping this one. Ping 192.168.14.1 is 100%. So we want to set IP for this. It has IP and this one as well. For this one, I want to assign IP is from the range of 192.168.12.5. Sorry, 192.168.12. Anything between that numbers, because the one except 1, because 1 is the gateway. 192.168.11, no, not .12.1. Let's ping from this one. Ping 1.1.1.1. This for router number 1. We want to ping the loopback. It's pinging. Let's ping this one for you as well. Then ping 192.168.14.1. Yes, all good. 192.168.13.7 anything. 192.168.13.1. This router, I want to ping router number 10 with the loopback of 3.3.3. Yes, it's pinging. Thank you everyone for bearing with me, and it was today's session that we configured the EIGRP. See you for the next session and have a good time.